In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Zoho Cliq. This process is straightforward, but a little guidance will ensure you get it right the first time. It's important to have the correct time zone set in Zoho Cliq because it affects how timestamps are recorded, how your scheduling works, and even impacts bots and any other time-sensitive features. With that in mind, let's walk through the steps together so you can make sure your Zoho Cliq is perfectly synced with your local time. To start, you'll need to navigate to your profile settings. Begin by clicking on your contact or profile image, which you should be able to find easily on the top navigation bar. This image usually features your initials or profile picture, and it serves as a gateway to managing your account settings. Once you've clicked your profile image, a menu should pop up with several options. From here, you'll want to select Profile and Settings. This option takes you directly to your personal preferences, where you can manage several aspects of your Zoho account. Alternatively, you might see an option for Manage Zoho Profile. If that appears, clicking there will get you to the same place. This flexibility means you can get to the right place whether you choose the former or the latter. Now that you're in the Profile and Settings section, scroll through your personal information. You'll see a variety of fields here, ranging from your name and email address to other personal details. Keep an eye out for the time zone field, as this is what we will be adjusting today. Once you've located the time zone field, check if there's an edit option available. It might be represented by a pencil icon or simply the word Edit. Click on it, and a list of time zones should become visible to you. Here's where you select the one that corresponds to your current location. If you don't see your desired time zone immediately, look for an option saying Show All Time Zones. Clicking that should expand your choices and provide you with the full list of available time zones. After selecting the time zone that best fits your location, go ahead and hit Save. This action confirms your changes, ensuring that any timestamps and scheduled messages are now accurate and aligned with your real-world schedule. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can make sure that your Zoho Cliq account reflects the correct time zone. This simple adjustment can vastly improve your experience with the app, making sure you're on track and fully in control of your time-related settings. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks.